Minsan, akala mo mabango yung hininga mo, but actually, the people around you are holding their breath. There are times na nagiging nose blind tayo doon sa sarili nating amoy, and that people are actually reacting doon sa hininga natin without us even knowing it. So, meron tayong tinatawag na olfactory adaptation. Or, in a simpler term, it's being nose blind. So, ito yung kondisyon kung saan we are exposed at a prolonged period to a certain odor that we no longer recognize yung odor na yon. So this is not really particular doon sa bad breath lang. It can be an odor na nanggagaling sa kilikili or other parts of the body. So when it comes to halitosis or bad breath, you need more than just toothpaste. It can be that you need professional cleaning, gum treatments, and even advanced therapies that a periodontal specialist or a bad breath specialist can help you with. So if you are experiencing awkward situations where yung mga kausap mo nagtatakip na ng ilong kapag kausap ka, or you notice na ayaw na talaga nilang humarap sa'yo kapag nakikipag-usap, maybe it's about time that you seek consultation. This is Science, Smiles, and Confidence by Dr. Trisha. Share this to someone who would benefit from it.